So there are lots of different ways you can try to measure the bandwidth that you're getting over your internet connection. I'm going to show you one that's provided by CNET. This is not necessarily that accurate and will depend where you are, but you can go to the CNET site, Internet Speed Test, with hyphens between internet speed and test. Pick your location. I'll go with work, and it will try sending some messages to figure out what your bandwidth is. And you can see that I'm getting 44,000 kilobits per second. It says kbps here. So that's 44 megabits per second. We can try again, see if we get the same result. And we tried the second time, we got 31 megabits per second, or 31.7. We can try again, and we get 62. So we can see that it is varying each time we try it. And bandwidth does vary. You're sharing connections on the network with other people. They may be doing different things. There are lots of reasons why the bandwidth that you measure varies. But if you try this test, you'll see what you get. And we're going to have a quiz. This is more of a survey than a quiz, but we're curious to see what bandwidth you're getting. So try a bandwidth test and see what the result is. And the quiz will ask you to report that to us. So this isn't really a quiz. It's more of a survey. But the question is, what is your bandwidth? And you can use one of the tools we provided links to figure out what your bandwidth is. And the boxes give you a choice of ranges. And if you can get greater than 200 megabits per second where you live, I'm very jealous.